This is our exhibit, the Gyro Briefcase. This is an exhibit that we've been building for well over 10 years, so it has a very proven track record. It's a briefcase. It has a flywheel in it that acts as a gyroscope. It's driven by a motor. We do this in many different configurations. This one happens to be mounted to a wall system that's custom to this museum. We can also do this in a cabinet that's about 30 inches wide. Okay, I'm going to initiate the experience here now. That what I need to do first is I need to push the start button. And as soon as I push the start button, the gyroscope inside the briefcase starts to wind up. It takes about 30 seconds. We'll know because the ready light will come on and it'll tell us it's time to pick up the briefcase. Okay, it says ready. That means I can pull the briefcase out of the cradle. Now you'll see when I try and turn with the briefcase, because it has gyroscopic precession, you'll see it tilt and turn. Now at this particular museum, we've done a little path on the floor that has a left and a right turn in it. You can see that even after this amount of time, there's still enough spin in the gyroscope that I can actually, I can talk about gyroscopes all day long, but if I put one in my hand and I try and turn it, and I feel the precession, I feel the force it generates, then I understand it. So it's starting to wind down now. All I have to do is come and put it back in the stand. The briefcase is very durable. As you might imagine, it gets dropped several times a day. As long as you have carpeting down, it's durable enough to withstand the drops. In a really busy museum, a major science center, we get about a year out of it, maybe a year and a half, and they send it to us. We put new bearings in it. You get two briefcases, so at that point at which the briefcase requires servicing, you can send the original one to us, put in your backup briefcase, and then we'll put new bearings in your old briefcase. Then it's good as new and we send it back to you. The briefcase is made out of Lexan and HDPE, so you can see the flywheel, which is the gyroscope, and you can see the motor, you can see all the working parts. It's very flexible, so when you drop it, it can absorb the shock without being hurt.